Let's continue on chapter 15. Past tense with confidence. The past tense is used to talk about actions or events that already happened. Learning past tense confidently helps you share stories, experience, and daily activities in English. With simple rules and practice, you can speak about the past easily. When you use past tense to talk about completed actions, went is past tense for go to school yesterday. I ate instead of say I eat. I ate breakfast this morning. To share stories or experiences last year, we traveled. Traveled in an traveled has ed to Paris. He won instead of say we. He won prize last month. To describe past habits, when I was a child, I played I played football every day. Regular and irregular verbs. A regular verbs. Most verbs form the past tense by adding ed. By adding ed. Work, it would be worked. Play would be played. Wash would be washed. Example sentence: I watched a movie yesterday. She played football on Sunday. Irregular verbs. Some verbs change completely in the past tense. Tense must be memorized. Go, instead of say goat, you say went, eat is ate, see is saw, help is had, do is did. Example sentence: I went to the market. He ate an apple. They saw a beautiful movie. Sentence structure in past tense: affirmative, subject plus past verb and object. I visited my friend yesterday. She watched TV last night. Negative, subject plus did not plus base verb plus object. I did not visit my friend yesterday. She did not watch TV last night. Question: did plus subject plus base verb plus object. Did you visit your friend yesterday? Did she watch TV last month? Practice using past tense. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Regular verbs. I then play football yesterday. I played football yesterday. She watched a movie last night. They visited the museum last week. Exercise: fill in the blanks. Irregular verbs. I dash go to the market. I went to the market. He eat an apple. He ate an apple. We see a beautiful bed. We saw a beautiful bed. Exercise: make sentences in the past tense. Travel, we travel. I traveled to Paris. I studied English. I bought an apple. We read the book. Tips to learn past tense confidently. Speak about your yesterday or last week activities every day. Yesterday, I walked to school. Last weekend, I watched a movie. Learn irregular verbs in small groups, 5 to 10 at a time. Listen to stories or short videos in past tense and repeat sentence aloud. Write a short diary of your day using past tense. I woke up at 7. I ate breakfast. I studied English. Past tense lets you share your experiences and stories with confidence. Start small, practice daily, and soon speaking about the past will feel natural. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you use past tense, the more confident you will become. Future tense made clear. The future tense is used to talk about things that will happen later, like plans, predictions, promises, or dreams. Learning the future tense clearly gives you the confidence to speak about your goals. When to use your future tense. To talk about plans or intentions, I will visit. I will visit my friend tomorrow. She will study English next week. To make predictions, it will rain tonight. You're not even sure, but you predict that it will rain. They will win the game. You are not sure, but you are predicting that the game will be won. To make a promise, I will help you with your homework. I promise to help you with your homework. He will call you later. Yeah, I will call you later. I promise. Structure of future tense. Affirmative sentence structure. Subject plus will plus base verb plus object. Example, I will travel to Paris next year. She will read a new book tomorrow. They will play football on Sunday. Negative sentence structure subject plus will not, won't, base, verb plus object. Example, I will not. I won't eat pizza tonight. He will not. He won't go to school tomorrow. Question. Structure will plus subject plus base, verb and object. Example, will you come to the party? Will she visit her friend tomorrow? Will they play football on Sunday? Future with going to. We also use a be going to for plans or intentions and structure. Subject plus ends is or plus going plus base verb. Example, I'm going to study English tonight. She's going to cook dinner. They are going to travel next month. Going. You see, going. You see, going again. Negative, I'm not going. Not going to watch TV tonight. He is not going to play football. Question, are you going to visit your friend with the question mark at the end? Is she going to study tomorrow with the question mark at the end? Practice using future tense. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with will. I call you tomorrow. Instead you say I call you tomorrow, you say I will call you tomorrow. She will travel to London next week. They will play football on Sunday. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with going to. I I'm going to study English tonight. He's going to cook dinner tomorrow. You see, we are going to visit our friends next weekend. Exercise 3, make sentence, make questions. You come to school. Are you coming to school? She watch TV. Are you watching TV? Are you going to watch TV? Do you watch TV? They play football. Did they play? Are they playing football? Tips to use future tense clearly. Talk about your plans, goals, or dreams in English every day. Practice both will and going to describe different situations. Write your daily or weekly plans in English. Tomorrow I will wake up early. I'm going to study English. Speak aloud about your future aspirations. I will learn English fluently. I'm going to travel abroad. Future tense allows you to speak confidently about what's coming. Use will for promise and predictions, and going to be for plans for intentions. Practice clearly, think about your goals, and speak about the future with clarity and confidence. Adjectives and adverbs in English. Adjectives and adverbs make your English colorful, exciting, and precise. They help you describe people, places, things, and actions so your sentences are more interesting and easier to understand. What is adjective? Is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Example: the red apple is tasty. She's happy girl. It is big house. Ask yourself which one, what kind, how many. The answer is often an adjective. The apple, which color red? She is what? Happy. The what house big. What is adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. It tells how, when, where, and how much something happens. Example: he runs quickly. How quickly? She arrived when? Yesterday. You see, the children play where? Outside. I am what? Very happy. Very. Many adverbs end with ly, but not all. Quickly, slowly, beautiful. Always, often, very. Using adjective in sentences. I have small dog. You have the dog, but very small. She wears beautiful dress, not just the dress, but beautiful. She is a delicious cake. Um, Exercise 1, add verb to sentence structure. The car is fast. The red car is fast. I have a book. He is a boy. Then you fill up the space there. Using adverb in sentence, he speaks loudly. Loudly. He speaks, but not just speak, but loudly. She runs wow fast. I will meet you when tomorrow. Add adverbs to this sentence. She seems beautiful. They arrive early. I write neatly. Common mistakes and tips. Don't confuse adverbs and adjectives and adverbs. She seems beautiful. She sings beautifully. You see, here we've got double L and Y. Whereas here is just beautiful. He is runs fast. This is very wrong. He runs fast. Correct. Adjectives always describe nouns. A happy child. Adverb describe verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. She runs quickly. Fun practice activities. Describe your day using adjectives and adverbs. I had a delicious breakfast. I walked slowly to school. Look at pictures and describe them aloud. The sky is blue. The children are playing happily. Use flashcards for common adjectives and adverbs and make new sentences. Final thoughts. Adjectives and adverbs bring your sentence to life. They help you express idea clearly and make your English more exciting. Practice describing everything around you, your day, your friends, your surroundings, and watch your English grow with joy.